Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide unwanted objects on Photoshop. You can easily hide or remove unwanted objects by following these simple steps. Now the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to just select this tool. This is the how it looks. Click on it. This tool will let you remove the unwanted objects on Photoshop. Click on it. Now after you click, if you don't find it or anything, click in the top right and then select essentials or 3D or graphic and web until you find it. Okay, now after you find this tool, you want to just, for example, I want to hide this car. I don't want to see this car in my picture. I would just want to hide it like this, and it disappears. Now there is no car anymore. Now I like to see elephants without eyes. Okay, I like to hide your eyes. I don't want to see your eyes. Now this is the eye of the elephant. I'm going to hide it right now. Now as you can see, the elephant doesn't have an eye anymore. That's exactly, guys, how you can remove unwanted objects on Photoshop. That's exactly, guys, how you can do this. This is very quick and simple. All you have to do, guys, is follow the simple steps that I showed you and you will be able to remove unwanted object. For example, I'm going to hide this one. 1, 2, click it, and then that's exactly, guys, how you can hide everything. You can also hide the full elephant. You can just leave the background alone. You can do it very quick and simple. So I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.